Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for liking and subscribing on our channel. Tonight we're here with my car at my dad's shop. I know you haven't been here yet, so I'm going to walk you around at some point tonight, but we have a mission tonight. So I'm working on putting on my JLT. We're also going to be installing some UPR products that they set me up with graciously at Mustang Week. So we're going to go over everything that we have and all the parts that are all laid out, and then we will show the install. So my dad's actually going to finally tune the car this week. The reason that we didn't tune it sooner when I bought it was because we drove the car down to South Carolina and we drove the car down to Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So from what I know, there is not a lot of E85 in those states that are accessible or at least convenient. So we decided to hold off. We're considering doing headers, but it just hasn't panned out yet in this time. So we'll figure that one out next, but stay tuned. We got all this going on.
You can see here that Brian and I are getting the car ready and set up on the hoist. We basically did one side of the car so I could learn what we were doing, and he explained it to me so I could do the left side of the car all by myself.
Welcome to day 2 of doing suspension and axles. We didn't get a chance to finish it all in one night because we came across some issues with replacing the boot on the
half shaft.
I know what it is. I can picture it. So we had some issues with that, so we didn't end up getting out of here till like 2:30ish in the morning, so I didn't want to stay here any longer. And then my dad tuned it, so I came to the shop and there's some dyno pulls with the car. But we're here, we're trying to get the rotor off because we have to get the OEM half shaft out of it, and then we're going to continue back with these parts over here from UPR to get these back in on this side. No, it's my taco. Caliper, and I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to hang it out of the way so we have more room to work. After that, I'm going to take the whole rotor, the spindle, and the caliper bracket, just so we can take this all off and have space to be able to replace the whole half shaft.
Okay, what are you disconnecting right now?
The brake line. So it goes from, this is the brake line, and then this one. I'm also disconnecting the e-brake.
What's next, Joe?
Taking off the whole rotor, the caliper bracket, and now the spindle.
Okay. Let's do it. Oh, hold on. I can't see your booty pop when you work on a car. Alright, do that again. Every other thought that works on a car.
Could you get a boomerang of this though?
Sure, Joe.
It's cool that I'm doing two things at once.
What are you doing twice at once?
I'm holding the rear bolt
Yeah.
and twisting the front. Still attached somewhere?
Nope.
So if you see now, the half shaft just kind of free hanging, free balling.
So, if you pry up in here, between the housing and the axle, there's a C-clip that retains it in. So I popped it out already. Give it a little oomph.
No, I don't think I'll get that. That's because you're a big, because you're a big, strong man's. Ew, you dirty pervert.
So now that the axle's out of the way, Joe's gonna go ahead and pull off the remaining bolts. We need to remove the toe link, vertical link.
Yep. Camber.
Yep. What are you removing right now?
The bolt.
No, Sherlock.
We're doing the camber arm next.
Yes.
Camber arm next. 3 hours later. I don't know. It's the bolt is still threaded. There you go.
Ta-da. Freedom.
Is it in?
It's in.
Damn.
Efficient insertion. Alright. Red side goes in first.
Oh, wow.
I'll insert from the back.
What are you doing?
Putting the spindle back on. We preemptively attached the toe arm because last time was a pain to try to line it up on it. So hopefully this goes better.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Joe gave me the opportunity to work on her car, so I'm feeling real blessed right now.
I can't stand you.
We're putting the toe arm on and dropping things.
So we're finishing everything up right now. We're torquing down all the bolts. So what Brian's doing right now is simulating weight with this so it doesn't bind up when
The car's back on the ground.
So as far as why the car is also here is because my dad just tuned it. So we did a JLT intake and put it on E85. So the car made $453 to the tire, which is not too bad. Once we get headers on it, we're hoping to be right around what Ken's car was and hopefully be right around 490, 500. We'll see. I'm going to do a real quick walk around video of my dad's shop because we're here and I appreciate him letting us use his hoist in his facility. So my dad works on the big three. He started off Mustang Performance and then in the late 2000s started doing GM Performance, and then actually in 2016 started doing Hellcats when they were first out. I know they were out in 15, but he got one in 16. So he does American Muscle mostly. Or by mostly, I mean completely. But he actually has some older stuff in here that I'm not used to seeing. The 69 Camaro as well as an old Firebird, or older, so I'm not used to seeing that. But he does a lot of different things here. It's pretty diverse here today. So my dad's shop is Alternative Auto in Chesterfield, Michigan. And a lot of people know him by Lidio. Been in business since 1990, so 28 years. So. Family show. Ken, how? How are you guys friends?
Probably why What does it mean when a company goes drive?
That's gonna snap right off.
Okay, you gotta do it. Okay, shush, the battery's about to die.
Huh?
The battery's about to die, I gotta film it. Are you deaf?
Yeah, I'm not listening to you. What? Oh, it's just scuff. It comes off. It's rubber.
From what?
The other tire.
If he wrecks my shit again, I'll kill him. You made it worse.
Apparently spit makes rubber worse. Don't you? Okay.
Not a bougie sweater.
I wouldn't go that far.